For only 665,000 pesos, meron ka ng brand new condition 2024 Toyota Vios XLE automatic transmission. I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival 2024 Toyota Vios XLE automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint at 15 inches wheels, mga kapalang tires. At sa harap, crystal clear na headlight, fog lamps, new face na to at 4 ang ending. At sa engine is a 1.3 liter dual VVTi CVT automatic transmission gasoline engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda. Sobrang basic maintenance lang neto, napakadali i-maintain. Magdala na scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at napakagandang design ng dashboard. Touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate control, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission, outlet source, center console, at napakaayos na steering wheel. May mga controls na rin dito. Analog display with 7,000 kilometers on the clock only at vanity mirror on both sides. At sa second row, nothing special pero okay ang legs, shoulder and headroom, 6 patang height ko. At sa pinakalikod, napakapoging taillight, back camera, back sensors at sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space at kumpleto ng tools, spare tire and jack. So this is the 2024 Toyota Vios XLE automatic transmission. So kung gusto niyo to guys, for only 665,000 pesos lang mauuwi na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. Napakadali lang ng approval dito sa amin sa financing, kaya tumawag ka na, baka maunahan ka dito. Thank you guys. Peace out.